Hello and Assalamualaikum everyone. Today I want to explain about antimicrobial plastic. Antimicrobial plastic are special plastic that can reduce or stop bacterial growth. So they help to improve hygiene and reduce contamination. These plastic are used in medical device, food packaging and hospital surfaces. So why we need antimicrobial plastic in the place like this? So we need to know first the difference between normal plastic and antimicrobial plastic. So the normal plastic do not resist any bacteria. It's inert. It cannot reduce the growth of bacteria or something else. Antimicrobial plastic are modified to resist or kill the bacteria. Like I said before this help to reduce the contamination and infection risk. Antimicrobial plastic have several type. The first type is leaching system. So in the leaching system, antimicrobial agent are stored inside the plastic. Inside the plastic, like we put antibiotic inside the sponge something, but in this is plastic. So over the time, the agent slowly move to the surface and kill the bacteria that attach to the surface of the plastic. The second type is contact kill system. The contact kill system can kill the bacteria when the bacteria touch the surface of the plastic. So the surface damage the bacteria membrane directly. This system give long-term protection. So the third type is surface modification technique. Engineer design this to change the surface of the plastic. So when something or when bacteria want to attach to the plastic, it cannot attach easily. So I have example like this video. We can see. So the application is antimicrobial plastic are used in wound dressings, food container, of course food container. People want to eat good food. And then packaging films and hospital touch surfaces. So what is the important material properties? So antimicrobial plastic should be durable, safe, chemical stable and resist to biofouling. I want to give an example like food container. What type we need to use for food container? If you use the leaching system, it can make the food cannot be eat because it have chemical in it. I think the best type of antimicrobial plastic for food container is surface modification system. The important of this antimicrobial plastic is for medical, of course, and food industry application. That's all for me. I hope you guys can have a knowledge about antimicrobial plastic. Thank you.